Good morning students. Today we will do our next question number 8 of exercise 7.3. The question is how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation. So in this equation there are how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are total 8 letters in the word equation. We have to form a word either it is having meaning or not. Using all the letters, the condition is we have to use all the 8 letters of this word equation using each letter exactly once. It means no letter should be repeated more than once. Alright, so we have to find the required number of words that can be formed this word equation. So you can see that there are how many letters in the word equation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first we have to make 8 boxes. So in the first box, there are how many chances to put any of these letters? मतलब इस word equation में जो कोई भी letter put करते कितने chances हैं? How many chances are there? So there are total 8 chances. And you can see here in the word equation, no letter is repeated. कोई भी letter repeat नहीं हो, ठीक है नहीं हो. Check करो. E, Q, U, A, D, I, all are different. So in the first box there are total 8 chances. Now in the next box there are how many chances? There are 7 chances. Why? Because one letter cannot put in a word more than once. एक letter को अपना word के विच one time से ज़्यादा put नहीं कर सकते. So there are 7 chances. And the next time 6 chances. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or you can write here 8 P 8. 8 is what? N. N is total number of objects in this word. So there are total 8 letters. So there are N is 8. P R. What is R? Objects taken at a time. So we have taken all the letters. All. मतलब जितने letters ने total word दिए बस ये उस time के सारे letters लम्बा. We have to take all the 8 letters. So the 8P8, we have to find 8 factorial. That is 40,320. So this is your question number 8. Next, this is your question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday? So Monday is what? It having 6 letters. Assuming that no letter is repeated if there are 3 parts. In the first part we have to find 4 letters are used at a time. Second one is all letters are used at a time. And the third one is all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels in the English alphabets. Alright. So first we have to find 4 letters are used at a time. So there are total 6 letters in this word Monday. So we have to form a word in which 4 letters are used only. So first we have to make only 4 boxes. In the first box there are how many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chances. And you can see here no letter is repeated in this word Monday. मतलब कोई भी letter इस word Monday से कुछ repeat नहीं होगी. Alright. So there are 6 chances in the first box. Now the next, there are how many chances? 5. Because no letter is repeated. कोई भी letter repeat नहीं होगा. If suppose we have to put here letter A, then A is repeated again? No. A repeat नहीं होगा. Because the condition is given already. No letter is repeated. Alright. So there are 5 chances in the second chance. In third chance there are 4. And the last one there are only 3 chances. So now you have to, by multiplication step, find the number of ways. 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120 into 3, 360. It means there are total 360 words formed by this word Monday, in which we have to use only 4 letters at a time. Or you can find like this 6P4. 6P4 is again same 360. 6 is total number of objects and 4 are what? Objects taken at a time. Next, second one, all letters are used at a time. 6 letters and we have to use all the 6 letters. So in the first there are 6 chances, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have to find what? 6 factorial. Or you can write it as 6p6. 6 is total number of objects. R is 6 again because we have taken all the objects. So what is 6 factorial? 6 5s are 30. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 5 is 30. 34s are 120 into 3, 360 into 2, 720 into 1, 720. So answer is 720. Next third one is all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. So all letters are used means you have to make how many boxes? 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we have to use all the 6 letters. But the condition is here, first letter is a vowel. So first letter is vowel, you can see here M-O-N-D-A-Y. Out of this 6 letter, which one is vowel? O and A. So there are 2 possibilities. Alright, so in the first box there are 2 ways. In the next box there are how many chances? There are 5 chances. Why 5? Because suppose करो if you have to put O and A, O ਤੇ A ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ letter A ਲੈ ਲਓ suppose you have to put here A, then A is repeated again? No, because the condition is already given starting. No letter is repeated. कोई भी letter repeat होगा ही नहीं, ठीक है? So if you have to put A, then A is not repeated again. Then what? There are total 6 chances. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ subtract ਕਰੋ. How many chances left? 5. So in the second box there are only 5 chances. Next again, एक decrease कर दो. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now by multiplication fact, multiply this 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 43s are 120, 122s are 240. Into 1 again same 240. So there are 240 words in which first letter is a vowel. So this is your question number 9. Next, this is your question number 10. In how many of the distinct permutations of the letters in Mississippi do the 4 I's not come together? So the word is given Mississippi. So first you have to write there are how many total letters in this word? Total. How many total letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are total 11 letters in this word. Now you have to check which letter is repeated more than once. Kede letters one to zyada time repeat ho rahe. So first see here I. I comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. I comes 4 times. Next, which letter is repeated? S. S repeated 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 times. And next, which one? This one P. P comes 2 times. Alright. So in this word Mississippi, I and S comes 4 times and P comes 2 times. So we have to find how many of the distinct permutations of the letter this Mississippi do the 4 I's not come together? Not come together. So पूछा है कि total कितनी arrangements possibles ने इस word तो जिधे विच I together नहीं होंगे, मतलब कट्ठे नहीं होंगे I 4 I's, ठीक है? Different हो सकते हैं अलग-अलग, but to together नहीं होंगे. So first we have to find the total number of arrangements of this word Mississippi. So find the total number of arrangement of this word Mississippi. Then you will find number of arrangements of this word Mississippi in which I comes together. First you find I comes together, जिधे which I is together आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? After that you have to subtract total arrangement minus in which I comes together. We get what? In which 4 I's not come together. ਤੁਸੀਂ total arrangements ਚੋਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ I's together ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ minus ਕਰੋਗੇ. So we get what? we get in which I is not come together. Alright, so find the total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangements. So there are total how many letters? 11 letters. So first you will write here 11 factorial. जितने भी total letters होंगे तो उसी को factorial numerator से लिखोगे. You will write in the numerator 11 factorial. Second step is you check here which letter is repeated. Letters केड़े केड़े repeat हो रहे हैं. So जेड़े letters repeat हो रहे हैं जितने times उन्हों का factorial तुसी divide करोगे. You have to divide it. So I comes 4 times, so divided by 4 factorial, multiply. S comes 4 times, again divided by 4 factorial. Next P comes 2 times, divided by 2 factorial. After solving this, we get what? Total number of arrangement of this word Mississippi. बिल्कुल total arrangements आ जाएंगे जिसके विच I together भी नहीं, चाहे not together नहीं, ठीक है? Whatever. So the formula is total number of arrangements total letters ने उधर factorial लिखोगे ऊपर numerator से and divided by the letter which repeated 4 4 2 that factorial उन्होंने से divide करोगे. Alright. So now 11 factorial. 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 factorial. Write this factorial as 4 3 2 1. 4 factorial is 2. Clear, students? Now next step is 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Now again 4 2s are 8, 8 cancel. This 4 2s are 8, 8 cancel. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Next 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now multiply this. 11 3s are 33. 7 3s are 21. And 5 times are 50. Clear? 11 3s are 33. 7 3s are 21. And 5 times are 50. Now 33 into 21. First multiply this one. 33 into 21 5s are 1050. Alright. 21 5s are 105 and put 10. Now 105 multiply 33. 105 multiply 33. That is 3 4 6 5 1. So the total number of arrangements are 34,650. Alright. Now we have to find number of arrangements in which I comes together. I comes together. I comes together. So you can see here I comes how many times? 4 times. So first you have to make 4 boxes, 11 boxes. How many? 11 because there are total 11 letters. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. So I comes how many times? 4 times. So you see I comes together 4 times. Alright, because let us see find the number of arrangements in which I comes together, in which I together are there. So there are total 4 I's. Okay? So you I को continuously लिखोगे 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now you can see here, this 4 I treated as one object. Did it together तो which find कर रहे हैं तो इसे treat करोगे as a one object. चाहे I 3 times आऊँगा, चाहे 5 times आ, चाहे 2 times आ, ठीक है? So you can treat it as one object. And how many objects are there left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 objects. So total कितने हो गए? 7 plus 1, 8. So you will write here 8 factorial. You will write here 8 factorial. There is 4 i's name. You will treat it as one object, and the other remaining are there are 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So there are total 8 objects. So you write here 8 factorial. डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਦਿਓ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ 7 ਆਬਜੈਕਟਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਲੈਟਰਸ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਹੋਣਗੇ in this 7 s repeated and p repeat s repeat 4 times and p repeat how many times 2 times so you will write here 4 factorial 2 factorial ठीक है same like this one जिसमें से टोटल वैल्यू फाइंड की जैसे कि सेम you have to divide it by this 4 and 2 4 factorial and 2 factorial now find this 8 factorial written as 8 7 6 5 4 divided by 4 factorial and 2 factorial is 2 now this 4 factorial cancel next 4 sorry 2 3s are 6 8 7s are 56 3 5s are 15 now multiply 56 into 15 840 it means there are totally 840 words in which I comes together total 840 words in which I together are but we have to find what in which I is not come together so what have to do ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟੋਟਲ ਅਰੇਂਜਮੈਂਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I ਟੁਗੇਦਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸੋ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੇਅਰ number of arrangements in which I is not come together so there are total how many possibilities 34,650 and in which I is come together 840 words so the answer is 33,810 alright so there are total 33,810 words in which 4 I's not come together so this is your question number 10 next this is your last question number 11 of exercise 7.3 the question is in how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged if the words start with P and end with S this is your first part second one is vowels are all together and the third one is there are always 4 letters between P and S so let us count there are how many total letters in this word permutations there are total 12 letters see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 so this 12 letters T comes 2 times only T letters which is repeated okay now there are total 12 letters and T comes 2 times so in the first part we have to find the number of elements in which the words start with P and end with the S so first you have to make 12 boxes and in the first box the P letter is fixed because in the question statement is given already P start with P and end with the S that word starting with P always and end with S it means P letter and S they both are fixed ठीक है both letters are fixed so don't need to count it so how many letters are left there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 so there are only 10 choices to put a letter alright except P and S because P and S are already fixed clear students so if P and S are fixed so there are how many letters left 10 so there are only 10 choices so write here 10 factorial divided by what which letter is repeated divide to sadhana karo ki jada letter repeat ho rahi hai so letter T is repeated 2 times so divided by 2 factorial so 10 factorial by 2 factorial when you solve it the answer is 1814400 answer is 18,14,400 so this is your first part second one is vowels are all together so we already know that there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet and the other 21 are consonants so first check here which one are the vowels vowel E U A I and O all the 5 vowels are counts in this letter in this word permutation so there are 5 vowels and 5 vowels and consonant left here how much? 12 minus 5, 7. There are 7 consonants in this word permutation. Alright. So first again step is same. We have to make how many boxes? 12 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this 12 boxes, 5 vowels comes together. The condition is given already. Comes together. So you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take these 5 boxes treated as 1. This 5 boxes treated as 1. Alright. Because ये 5 vowels ने together होंगे. ये अपने मतलब 5 chances के बीच आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं. मतलब जब किसी के e लिख लो चाहे तो e लिखो चाहे e लिखो, ठीक है? ये possible है, but they comes together. Together ही होंगे 5 vowels. So there are 5 chances. So we will treat it as 1. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chances are left. It means 7 plus 1, 8. So you will write here 8 factorial divided by what? Check here in this 7 chances which letter is repeated. In other words, will repeat ho rahe? Yes, T repeated because T is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So T repeated how many times? 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial. Now we have to multiply this. Multiply with which one? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there are 5 vowels and all the 5 vowels are different. No one is same. A, E, I, O, U. All the vowels are different. So we will multiply with 5 factorial. Suppose if one vowel is repeated 2 times. Suppose that if the vowel A is repeated 2 times, then you will divide it 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Alright. So you don't need to divide it here. So the answer is how much? 8 factorial. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 factorial divided by 2 into 5 factorial. So this 2 cancel. What is the answer? 8 sevens are 56, right here. 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120, 123s are 360. And 5 factorial is 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. So you have to multiply this 56, 360, 120. So the answer is 241 9200. It means total 24 lakh 19,200 words in which 5 vowels come together. Now the third part is there are always 4 letters between P and S. Always 4. So again you have to make how many boxes? 12 boxes. Because there are total 12 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the condition is here there are always 4 letters between P and S. Suppose that the first letter is P and there are 4 letters exist in this P and S. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here S. So this is our first possibility. First possibility P and S. There are 4 letters 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first option. First way. Second is if you write here P, then S comes here. This is the second way. Third is if you write P here, then S comes here. If you write P, S comes here. If you write P here, S comes here. If you write P, then S comes here. If you write here P, then S comes here. So check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 ways in which we fixed P at the starting and S at the end. End means after 4 choices, after 4 letters. Alright. Suppose P start, I will fix here P, then 1, 2, 3, 4, S comes here. This is the first way. This is the second way. This is the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 ways. We already do reversing this number. If suppose S comes at the starting and P comes at here, then there are again 7 ways. Because In the question they ask, there are always 4 letters between P and S. They will not ask P at the starting and S at the end. Okay, your first question is P start with P and end with S. So which fixer? And P then the word start with P and end with the S. But in this third part, they ask 4 letters between P and S. ठीक है, either you write P at the starting or at the end. End means there comes 4 letters in that one, P and S. All right. So there are 7 ways in which P comes at the starting, and there are again 7 ways in which S comes at the starting. So 7 plus 7, 14. So there are only 14 ways. There are only 14 ways. Now what is the answer? We will write here 14 multiplied. See here P and S are fixed. P and S are fixed in the one chances. ठीक है, एक चांस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ P and S की are fixed. So there are total 12 letters. 12 letters of P and S को neglect कर दो. So there are only 10 letters left. So multiply with 10 factorial. Divided by what? 2 factorial, because T comes 2 times. Alright. So divided it by 2 factorial. So 14 multiplied 10 factorial over 2 factorial. We already find 10 factorial 2 factorial at the starting. So what is it? 10 factorial over 2 factorial is 1814400. 1814400. So when you multiply with 14, so what is your answer? The answer is 25401600. 25401600. The answer is 2,54,01,600. So this is your answer of question number 11. Thank you.